Hey friends, you don't want to be the one that violates any trademark or copyright issues. In this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about how you can be still the biggest fan, the biggest supporter of your favorite sports team without worrying about anyone coming after you for violating copyright or trademark issues. As you can see, the bow that I am making right now actually resembles one of the world's United States favorite football teams, or at least one of my dear friends' favorite football team, and that is the Dallas Cowboys. Just by simply using that navy blue stripe in there, we've got white with navy blue stars. We actually have some light gray glitter, and we've got some silver and blue stripe. Look at all of the beautiful colors that represent the Dallas Cowboys. But nowhere in here do I have anything violating the Dallas Cowboys copyright and trademark laws. So that's what I want to help you with. Think about your favorite sports team, whether it be a college team, a high school team, national team. You must have written explicit permission from that team to be able to use any of their emblems, any of their designs. So if you don't have time for that, and sometimes you do have to pay for those too, don't worry about not being the team player. Pick the right colors of ribbon and look what you can do. Have fun making your bows. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can see all my future videos.